Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you this easy soft glam eye look. I have used a very affordable palette, the bite-size eyeshadow palette by Elf Cosmetics in cream and sugar. And all the other products that I use today are from the drugstore. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more makeup tutorials and reviews, and share this video with a friend that likes soft glam eye looks. I'm starting off with the lightest eyeshadow of the palette, and with this I'm gonna highlight the brow bone. This shade has a shimmery finish and a light champagne color. You can also use it as a highlighter on your face. After that, I'm taking this light beige shade and I'm diffusing it in the crease area. This is gonna be my transition color. I wanted to try this palette for so long, but I couldn't find it in Europe. Now they are shipping to Germany and I bought all the colors to do a series with the palettes. So let me know in the comments which one you would like to see next. I continue with the darkest shade, and with a smaller brush I'm taking a small amount of the product. With this dark brown shade I'm giving definition to the outer part of the crease area. I'm also blending on the outer eyelid, and then with the previous shade I'm diffusing furthermore. Here I'm taking a small detailed brush for the lower lash line. I avoid covering the inner portion with a dark brown shade, and I'm also connecting the color in the outer corner. With the light beige shade, I'm going over the edges of the lower lash line. Next, I'm picking up this gold shimmery shade. I'm pressing this on the remaining eyelid and in the inner lower lash line. This shade looks super pretty with the dark brown eyeshadow. I'm taking the lightest shade and I'm highlighting with this the inner corner of my eyes. In the waterline I'm applying the Liner Refined Eye Pencil by Maybelline in brown, and I'm also closing my eyes to tightline them. This is the easiest and fastest way. For eyeliner I'm using the Liquid Ink Eyeliner by Essence. I'm trying to create a very thin line close to the lashes. Then for lashes, I'm taking the style number 129 by Allure, and I'm applying them with the Peel Off Lash Glue by Essence. This style has longer lashes on the outer part and gives a vintage look to the eyes. I'm coating my natural lashes with the Bye Bye Panda Eyes by Essence. With this step you can blend the fake lashes with your natural. On the lips I decided to apply a vibrant orange shade. This is by Wet n Wild in the shade Golden Carrot. I think it matches with the eye look a lot. What do you think? You can watch next this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!